Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tile surface so the wallpaper will grip. Clean thoroughly with a degreaser to remove oils and old sealants. Once dry, sand glossy tiles lightly. This creates microscopic tooth for the primer. Make sure to vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth to eliminate dust. Next, apply a high-bond primer designed for non-porous surfaces. Follow the label for coverage and drying time, because adhesion, not aesthetics, prevents future peeling. You measure accurately and cut panels with a 2-inch overlap for adjustments. A lining pattern repeats before you ever touch adhesive to tile. Once you've marked a vertical plumb line, start at a corner or center, depending on the layout, and position the first strip precisely. Apply paste to either the wall or paper as directed, then book the paper briefly if required. Smooth from the center outward with a plastic smoother and use a seam roller to compress joins. You finish by trimming excess paper with a fresh utility blade held at a low angle. Press edges firmly with a hard plastic spatula for full contact. Once all panels are set, carefully seal any exposed grout or transition with a flexible, paintable sealant so movement won't pop the seams. If you notice lifting after 24-48 hours, reprime the affected area and reapply. This test shows whether adhesion or moisture was the issue. It's the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.